All right, ladies and gentlemen, I believe everybody of you is doing great and you're having good time at your home. My name is Yawar Manzoor and I just want to tell you one single fact that what we have done, what Unacademy has done in JEE 2021. This is AIR 1 from Unacademy. This is AIR 18 from Unacademy and this is AIR 87 from Unacademy. These are the people who were learning inside Unacademy by taking the Unacademy's Plus and Iconic subscription. They were learning from country's top educators for sure. Quota's top educators who are teaching you inside Unacademy. And this is the result we have produced. That's 101 learners with 99 percentile and 70 learners with 99.5 and above percentile. These were all the people who were learning inside Unacademy from country's top educators. Now, if you people want to take your rank to the next level, if you people want to boost your rank, then you have to take the Unacademy's Iconic and this Plus subscription. There are so many benefits that you can exactly get over there in this Unacademy and Iconic subscription. What is that? You'll be getting the personal guidance, study planners, personal mentorship, every damn thing, test analysis. This is exactly done from our end only. There are so many benefits that exactly you're gonna get in that one. If you want to boost your rank in your upcoming JEEs, you can see the results from itself on the board itself. Now, this is basically the special price week. If you're looking for taking Unacademy's Plus and Iconic subscription in order to boost your rank in your upcoming JEE, I suggest you should take it basically right away. Why? Because this is the offer that will end by today itself. You can get up to 20% off by today itself. Understand? From tomorrow itself, you are not gonna get this much of discount. If you use my code Yawar, you'll be definitely getting 10% off and 10% in this special price week. Understand? So this will definitely end by today itself. So you should definitely grab it as soon as possible. Now, how much amount of money you can exactly save if you take this Unacademy's IIT Plus subscription? That is, for 30 months, you'll be saving this much of money. For 24 months, you'll be saving this much of money. For 12 months, you'll be saving this much of money. This will end up by today itself, okay? So grab it as soon as possible. So accordingly, for 24 months, this much of money. For 18 months, this much of money. These are the exact prices. So this is the price after that special discount of 20%. So you can definitely use my code. Grab it as soon as possible. As I have told you, this is the result from Unacademy that we have provided. AIR 1 is definitely from Unacademy. 100 percentile, 99.99 percentile. If you want to basically boost your rank like these people have done in their JEE, definitely you should join us on our Unacademy's platform where so many top educators teach you. And before that, at least you should try to have a look. Download the Unacademy app. Try to have a look over there. Who are the teachers who teach you? Are definitely these the country's top educators? Are definitely those the educators, top educators from Quota? Try to have a look at least once. My name is Yawar Manzoor. Thank you so much.